Hello everyone, welcome to ConvoBox. In this video, we will learn what a WhatsApp template is, why we use it, and how to create one step-by-step using ConvoBox. A WhatsApp template is a message format that must be approved by WhatsApp before you can send it to customers. Businesses use templates to send updates, offers, OTPs, reminders, and notifications. Now, let's begin. Step 1. Create template. First, go to the template section and click on Create Template. This is where we create a new message template. Step 2. Template name. Next, enter a template name. The template name helps you identify the template later. Choose a simple name that clearly explains the purpose. Step 3. Template category. Now select the template category. Utility is used for updates like order confirmations or reminders. Marketing is used for promotions and offers. Authentication is used for OTPs or login verification. Please note, message pricing is decided by Meta, not by ConvoBox, and it depends on the category you choose. Step 4. Language selection. Next, choose the language. This step is very important. The default language is English. If you want to change the language, please select it from the drop-down. Whatever language you select, you must create the template in that same language.
Step 5. Header section. Now we move to the header section. You can choose None if you don't want a header, text to add a title, image for promotions, maximum 5 MB, video for product demos, maximum 10 MB, document like invoice, ticket or brochure, maximum 10 MB. Please note, make sure your file size follows the allowed limit before submitting the template. Choose the option that suits your message best. Step 6. Message body. Next is the message body. This is where you write your main message. And most importantly, you can add variables to the message. Variables are used to dynamically insert content. For example, variable 1 can become the customer's name. Variable 2 can become the order number or company name. If you want to add a variable, click the Add Variable button. You will see text inside double curly brackets like Fool1 or Fool2. This means you don't need to create separate messages for every customer. You create one template and use variables to personalize it. This saves time and makes the message feel more personal. Mobile preview. On the right side, you will see a mobile preview. This shows exactly how your message will appear on the customer's phone. Step 7. Footer. Next is the footer section. The footer is a small text shown at the bottom of the message. You can use it for support details, disclaimers, or bland information. Step 8. Buttons. Now we move to buttons. You can add quick reply buttons so customers can tap and reply instantly, phone number button to allow customers to call your business, URL button to redirect users to your website or payment page. Buttons make your message more interactive and improve customer response. Final step. Submit template. Once everything is ready, click Submit. Your template will now be sent to WhatsApp for approval. After submitting, you will return to the template list page. Here you can see the status, approved, rejected, or pending. If the status is not updated, click the Sync Template button. This refreshes the status and shows the latest update. And that's it. You now know how to create a WhatsApp template in ConvoBox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. For more tutorials on WhatsApp automation, stay connected with ConvoBox. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.